Testing electrical systems without the right tools can be slow, frustrating, and unsafe. A digital pen multimeter makes troubleshooting easier with fast, accurate readings in a compact, portable design. With voltage detection, continuity testing, resistance measurement, and clear displays, these tools are useful for DIY users and professionals. Whether you're checking home wiring, automotive circuits, or electronics, the right pen multimeter saves time and effort. Today, we reveal the top 5 best pen type digital multimeters. Remember to check the links in the description for the best deals on every model we cover. The 5th product on our list is the Aiomest AI-38B. The Aiomest AI-38B pen voltmeter multimeter is one of the best budget-friendly options for occasional use. If you need an easy way to troubleshoot household wiring, automotive systems, or electronic devices without carrying a bulky meter, this compact tester is designed to make your work much easier. You get a pen-sized multimeter that can measure AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts, resistance up to 20 megaohms, diode testing, and audible continuity checks. Whether you're testing outlets, checking circuits, repairing appliances, or diagnosing electrical problems, this tool gives you the essential features you need in one lightweight device. Instead of struggling with separate probes or constantly setting the meter down, the permanently attached lead allows you to test more comfortably. The side-mounted lead holder also keeps everything organized and ready whenever you need it. The AI-38B also includes a bright backlit LCD and a built-in lamp, helping you read measurements clearly in dark spaces or tight electrical panels. Whether you're working at night, inside cabinets, or under a car dashboard, visibility stays clear and convenient. You also get several smart features that make testing easier, including auto-ranging, data hold, over-range indication, low battery alerts, automatic power-off, and negative polarity indication. The gold-plated probe tips with protective caps add extra durability while helping maintain accurate performance over time. Plus, the lightweight pen-style body makes it easy to carry in your pocket, toolbox, or work bag. If you want a compact, affordable, and beginner-friendly digital pen multimeter that still delivers reliable performance for everyday electrical work, the Aiomest AI-38B could be the ideal pick for you. The 4th product on our list is the Snakol SK216. If you want a compact, beginner-friendly electrical tester with modern smart testing features, the Snakol SK216 Pen Type Digital Multimeter could be a great choice for you. This lightweight pen multimeter is designed to make electrical testing faster, safer, and much easier. You get a 2-in-1 multifunction design that works as both a digital multimeter and a non-contact voltage tester. It can accurately measure AC and DC voltage from 2 volts to 600 volts, resistance up to 40 megaohms, diode testing, continuity checks, and live or neutral wire detection. One of its biggest highlights is the NCV non-contact detection system. When the tester gets close to a live electrical field, the LCD screen displays an analog bar, while different beep rhythms help you identify voltage strength safely without direct contact. This gives you extra confidence when working around electrical systems. The SK216 also features a bright HD backlit LCD, making readings clear and easy to see even in low-light conditions. Combined with the built-in flashlight, it allows you to work comfortably in dark corners, electrical cabinets, or nighttime environments without struggling to see measurements. Its removable probe design is another useful advantage. The anti-oxidation metal tip is durable, easy to replace, and protected with a safety cap for longer-lasting performance. Despite offering multiple functions, the tester remains compact and lightweight enough to carry easily in your pocket or tool bag. You also get helpful extras like a continuity buzzer, low battery indicator, included AAA batteries, and a complete testing kit right out of the box. If you want a reliable and easy-to-use pen multimeter for home, workshop, or professional electrical testing, the Snakol SK216 could be the perfect choice for you. The 3rd product on our list is the BTmeter BT38C. The BTmeter BT38C is a pen-type digital multimeter designed for fast, accurate, and one-handed voltage detection. If you want a compact tester that feels simple to use but still delivers professional-level performance, this smart pen multimeter could be the perfect tool for you. This multifunction tester can measure AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts, resistance up to 60 megaohms, capacitance, diodes, and continuity with an audible alarm. Whether you're troubleshooting household wiring, repairing automotive systems, checking HVAC equipment, or testing electronics, this tool keeps your work quick and convenient. One of its biggest advantages is the one-handed operation design. Unlike traditional multimeters that require separate probes and wires, the BT38C comes with an attached test lead built directly into the pen body. This lets you test circuits comfortably with one hand while keeping the other hand free, making your work easier and safer. You also get a bright backlit LCD and a built-in lamp, so reading measurements in dark areas becomes much easier. By holding the hold button, you can activate the flashlight and freeze readings instantly for easier recording. Accuracy and protection are also strong points. This multimeter features auto-ranging technology, 6,000 count precision, overload protection, automatic polarity indication, and CE Cat 3, 600 volts double insulation safety. That means you get reliable measurements while staying protected during electrical troubleshooting. The anti-drop rubber grip and heavy-duty probe design make it feel durable and secure in your hand. Features like low battery alerts, auto power off, and data hold add even more convenience to daily use. If you want a lightweight, accurate, and easy-to-use pen multimeter that makes electrical testing faster and less frustrating, the BTmeter BT38C could be one of the smartest choices for you. The second product on our list is the Aneng A3009. The Aneng A3009 is our best premium pen type digital multimeter for users who want high-end functionality, smart detection, high accuracy, and professional level features. It feels advanced, reliable, and incredibly easy to use. With this tool, you get both a professional digital multimeter and a non-contact voltage tester in one sleek pen-style design. It can automatically measure AC and DC voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency, diodes, live wires, and NCV detection without requiring manual range switching. This makes troubleshooting faster, easier, and much less stressful. One of the biggest upgrades is the enhanced software inside the A3009. Compared to older versions, it offers more precise readings, higher sensitivity, and improved frequency measurement performance, making it a great choice for home repairs, automotive diagnostics, industrial maintenance, and electronics testing. The large VA reverse display is another standout feature. It allows you to read measurements clearly, even in dark environments, while the built-in flashlight makes low-light work much easier. The smart backlit screen also gives the tester a modern premium feel as soon as you start using it. You also get a detachable nickel-plated probe tip system, allowing you to switch between different accessories for more flexible testing. The included alligator clips, copper needles, gilded needles, banana tips, and tapered probes make this tester highly versatile for different electrical tasks. Safety and portability are also impressive. The auto shutoff function helps save battery life after 5 minutes of inactivity, while the lightweight pen-style body and pocket clip make it easy to carry anywhere. Powered by simple AAA batteries, it's also quick and convenient to maintain. If you want a premium, professional, and highly portable multimeter that combines accuracy, convenience, and advanced features in one compact tool, the Aneng A3009 can be the perfect premium pick for you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Neoteck FEXNTK182. The Neoteck 2-in-1 is the best overall pen type digital multimeter for its smart features, accurate readings, and user-friendly design. It makes electrical testing faster, safer, and easier. You get both a non-contact voltage tester and a full digital multimeter in one sleek pen-style device. That means you can quickly detect live wires without touching them, while also measuring AC and DC voltage, resistance, continuity, diodes, capacitance, and frequency with impressive precision. Whether you're fixing appliances, testing outlets, working on automotive electronics, or handling DIY repairs, this tester keeps everything simple and convenient. The standout feature is its intelligent auto-detection system. Instead of manually switching between modes, the multimeter automatically recognizes what you're testing, saving you time and making the entire process beginner-friendly. With true RMS technology and 6,000 count precision, you get highly accurate readings from 0.1 millivolts up to 600 volts. That level of accuracy makes it reliable for schools, factories, research work, and everyday electrical troubleshooting. It meets CE Cat 2600 volt safety standards and includes NCV detection, allowing you to sense dangerous voltage through insulation without direct contact. Moreover, the built-in flashlight helps you work comfortably in dark spaces. At only 81 grams, this pen multimeter is lightweight, portable, and easy to carry in your pocket or tool bag. You also get a pen clip, velvet pouch, auto shut-off function, and included AAA batteries for extra convenience. If you want a smart, accurate, and portable electrical testing tool that feels effortless to use, this Neoteck multimeter might be the best overall choice for you. That's all for our list of the top 5 best Pen Type Digital Multimeters on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.